what do I need to heal and who do I need to become in order to make a difference in somebody else's life? So this is the question I would love to bring into a therapeutic process. So right now, therapy is focused on digging into the wound. What did happen? Why it happened? Why did it happen to you? How can you let go of your past? Now, after working with thousands of people over 28 years and training healers and coaches to be extremely effective in their work, there's something interesting I observed. That a lot of people who have this seemingly innate drive to help others and who are compassionate and giving people and loving people often had a complicated, if not traumatic past. So if we reverse engineer this phenomena and understand that somebody who right now is experiencing emotional pain is very likely, if they survive this, at the end of the day will become more giving and compassionate and loving towards others and would want to make a difference, then we can bring that agenda of purpose, of contributing, into the process of therapy right now to actually speed up the process. Now, we know that we live in the epidemics of suicide. Statistics are horrific. There's more people around the world dying from suicide than from the wars and the national catastrophes combined. Can you imagine that? I personally had been touched by this terrible statistics. My first husband committed suicide, and I was a widow with 3 kids, wondering what did happen and why couldn't he get help. And he went into therapy, but digging into his past really didn't help. And what I'm realizing that if in a therapist office he was actually shown that there is a light at the end of the tunnel, that there are people waiting for him to recover, that his happiness will make difference in somebody else's lives, he might have been still alive today.